Music. Welcome to my Eastlink Internet review. Find plan details and service links below. Today, we'll cover Eastlink's offerings, key features, ideal users, and my personal experience. Eastlink primarily serves rural and suburban Canada with a strong Atlantic, Ontario, and Western presence. Plans range from basic 100 megabits per second for light users to premium 1 gigabit per second for gamers and streamers. Most plans offer unlimited data, perfect for families. Eastlink's FiberLink technology delivers high-speed, reliable internet. Their smart Wi-Fi ensures seamless home coverage. Manage your network with parental controls and device prioritization. Eastlink also offers bundled internet, TV, phone, and mobile services. In my experience, Eastlink delivered reliable speed, especially where other providers struggle. Installation was easy, and speeds remained steady, even at peak times. HD and 4K streaming was smooth. Customer support was responsive and helpful. One downside? Limited service area. Standalone pricing can be higher, though bundles offer better value. Overall, Eastlink is excellent for users within their service area needing reliable high-speed internet. Considering Eastlink? Check the links below for plans and pricing. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.